Hi everyone, it's Joy and we are making this super cute wreath for under $25. This chalkboard has not been doing it for us as far as decor out over our mantle. I've had something in mind for a while, but this is like the extent of our artisticness and it ain't good, okay? So we are making a wreath today and I don't really know how it's gonna turn out. I hope it looks a lot better than this. I think it'll be a good size. Now it looks totally empty here, but I think it's gonna work.
The hoop came from Joann Fabrics and I had Brennan sand and spray paint it. This color is like our favorite and we normally have it laying around the house. It's like a bronzy color, $3 to $4 a can. You can do whatever color you want, absolutely. So I would suggest when you are buying fake flowers or succulents, buy them in any kind of bouquets or like the greenery bouquets so you can separate them out so they are cheaper. I ended up getting the stuff that I wanted at Hobby Lobby. Okay, and wait for this cute baby in 3, 2.
Hi! It's a wave.
The layout doesn't have to have any kind of rhyme or reason. I just kind of laid it out what I thought looked nice, and yeah, I've never done anything like this before, so it was definitely trial and error. But it was easy and fun at the same time. It was like a chance to be a little creative without being too wild.
Okay, is this not super cute? I love it. I love the way it came out. And it took me like less than an hour. So I'm pretty proud of myself. If I can do it, you can totally do it. Thanks for jamming out with me. I'll catch you on the next one. Today, we are making a wreath. Okay, so. Right? And go.